all about me.
Mhm.
We have some specific plan to move somewhere in very future.
Wow, very nice future plan you have. So may I know
Uh,
some thing like where you want to go?
Actually, I want to go for PhD. That is why I'll choose a country, a university, which country or which university will provide me full funds, and
Mhm.
I'll go for that.
Mhm.
As I'm a student and I don't have enough money to study with my self fund, so I have to depend on full funding.
Yeah.
So it's totally depend on which university will provide me this kind of full fund.
Okay. So
Uh,
basically, you from New Delhi. So you are native from New Delhi or belong to some another state?
no, no, brother. You don't. Actually, I'm from Bangladesh, Dhaka.
Oh, you from Bangladesh, and you
Yes,
now you are
yes.
living in New Delhi,
No, 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 no. I'm living in Dhaka.
Dhaka. But your location is located here, New Delhi. So I think you from India.
Not actually. I think this application is misleading. I didn't set my location as Delhi. I have set my location as Dhaka. Actually, I didn't
Okay.
set my location. Maybe they are setting it automatically. I have
Okay.
just installed yesterday,
Okay.
and I don't know a lot about this application.
Oh, no problem, bro. Actually, if you don't know anything about this application, so I would like to say something about intro related this application. So this application is a great application. Here is lots of people are come for speaking English. So when you feel boring and if you want to talk someone, so you can talk anyone in this application. So great option to talk anyone because sometimes we feel so nervous. So you can share your uh, personal your desire if people are understanding you.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's great. Actually, I'm suggested to use these apps by one of my juniors from my university.
Mhm.
Actually, I was trying to practice speaking English
Mhm.
for my test. That is why I was trying to practice speaking English, but I did not find anyone to practice with me. And whenever I go to my friend to speak with me in English, they laughed at me, and that is why
Exactly.
I feel hesitate and shy to
Of
tell them.
course,
That
of
is why
course.
I'm here,
Yeah.
because in this application, all the user are speaking in English, and I feel comfortable
Yeah.
here.
Actually, I think you are using this application from few days, so you have know about it that this application provide a English conversion, and but sometimes people are come for here who is totally bad behavior. Like they want to search, they want to talk any girls, and when he don't find any girls, they badly behave another person like you and me. So this type activity sometimes wrong in this application, so it's a people desire, yeah, it's not a application problem na.
I have used another applications before using this application, and I find this application pretty helpful, and this is the most useful application I have ever
Yeah.
used.
Yeah, bro. Actually, which English I am speaking in these days, so it's my personal practice, and we don't have joined any institute where teacher can teach me any related English related question and so on. So it's my self practice that I am speaking in these days and talking to you. It's this application is
Mm,
teach me how you can communicate with another person. So I think how is my
mm.
communication? What about you say?
Yes, I can understand. You're just improving yourself through this application. And you know, English is international language, so why not practicing speaking English? Whenever you want to go, wherever you want to work, everywhere you have to use English. And in Delhi or in India, as I know, you have English must be a mandatory language in any office or any corporate office, because there are lots of language. Different states has different language, so
Mhm.
whenever you want to communicate in other states, people or other language, other native language people, and you have to speak in English as a second language. Because you might don't know about Bengali language, but Bengali is the mother tongue of West Bengal people.
Yeah,
So
in
how do you communicate with them? You have to
yeah,
communicate with English
yeah. Actually, first
as a
I
second language.
yeah, first I prefer English language, because if you know the knowledge of English language, you can visit anywhere. Because if people are not know another local language, if anyone is know English language, so that time we can communicate with them. So it is a good option, like for visiting purpose, you know.
Ah, yes, obviously, why not?
Yeah.
And I think Hindi is pretty easy language as far as I know, cause I can understand every Hindi. Whatever you speak in Hindi, I will understand, cause I have watched lots of Hindi movies and I can understand everything. But whenever I want to speak in Hindi, I got stuck. Actually, I cannot complete full sentence or I cannot complete full conversation in Hindi, but I can understand Hindi. Well,
Actually, yeah, you are telling that Hindi is easy, but I don't think, because Hindi is my native, so Hindi is not difficult for me. But some people say Hindi is too much difficult language. But I think you from Bangladesh, so you most of the time you heard about Indian news, Indian politics system, and sometimes you used to watch like Hindi movies. That's why I think Hindi easy for you.
actually, the thing is, I watched lots of Hindi movies.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
is why I can understand Hindi. I didn't watch any news or any others Hindi conversation,
But
but I have just watched
yeah,
movies.
it's my side, my opinion is this, that you are connected with Hindi language. That's why Hindi is easy
Yes.
for you, because you don't watch any
Uh,
news, but you used to watch movie is also Hindi language, so it doesn't matter na.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, it is right. And another thing is is uh, Hindi is pretty similar with Bengali language.
Yeah, I think.
Sometimes we find they are kind of neighbor, where neighbor and the language is pretty similar. I think I found similarity between Bengali and Hindi.
Yeah, because most of the people in your side, like your country, they used to tell Hindi is easy for them. So I think it will be
Mm.
easy.
Yes,
Yeah.
actually. And what about the political situation in your country?
Actually, bro, I don't have interest in the political system, but according to my country, it's totally bad, yeah. Because everywhere is some bad news are coming day every day. As you know, in West Bengal is too much harassment from their murder case. As you know, I think.
Yes, yes, I know. And very recently, there are a girl who have been raped by 20 people at Kolkata,
Not two and three
who was
people.
a nurse.
Uh, Listen,
There are 20
yeah,
or
yeah,
18 people.
yeah, because
Then,
they are trying to hide this matter, that people know only one person was there. But as a reporter checked, they told there was lots of person from this group. They have lots of person, and that they had do
there
this.
were lots.
Yeah,
Yes, yes, this is really a pathetic news.
but
We feel condemned to this matter actually, and we feel sorry the same way you are feeling.
bro,
And
actually,
we have started a rally in our university against the rapist, and we also are also wanting to the highest punishment of the rapist. We want them to death sentence.
bro, rapist. I don't think rapist is very bad, yaar. Because you know, yaar, what is the matter about it? Because you are totally against a girl, and after you use girl, then you killed them, and you killed total badly. Kolkata case was totally harassment, like very dangerous was, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I have watched the news and watched the photo of the girl Momita, and I was totally upset after seeing this. I was thinking, how they can be a man? It's totally inhuman task. The way they raped the girl, they broke her leg, and they. I can't describe the situation. Whatever I read in the news.
Actually,
I think they are psychopaths.
oh my god, actually you imagine, bro, that girl was inside up in on the duty. He was went for resting, and she can't rest for because his duty was 36 hour. She is student as a nursing. She was junior nurse, you know. I think you know very well. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so
He was an intern nurse, right?
yeah, she was senior doctor and go for rest, and there was no facility for resting room. That's why he went a where place there was no CCTV cameras also, and there which god was which guard was giving attention from there, he is also a criminal. So
Oh my God.
that was already a uh, plan. That's why this happened.
Pre-planned. It was pre-planned.
Yeah, because it's not easy,
I
yaar.
think.
Uh, where
Obviously.
yeah, and you know, in my India, I don't know your country, but in my India, this type case every month is come, and it was too bad. But in this bad case also come in my India nearly 4 month, 5 month, and 4 5 days later also this same situation has come in my in another state. In India, there are lots of state. I think you know. So some another state, some
I know.
this type of harassment is news come used to. So it's yeah very bad moment, yeah, because I respect girl. So we don't think